We're going to install a new stove. Before we do anything, we'll double check the dimensions. We've got the car as close as we can get it to the door. The new stove looks like it's going to be 3/4 of an inch too high, but we'll see what the feet are if they're adjustable. 31 inches across looks good. 28 inches here looks good. Pull the stove out, pull the lid off, pull out the bag. We'll turn off the breaker on the stove. We'll pull the stove forward. And we've got our pigtail down there. Unplug everything. Put the new one into place to see how it fits. Overall it fits. Sticks out a little bit in the front. Move the plug on the old one. Black, white, red. Everything unplugged. We'll loosen up the lugs. Spin everything off. Neutral in the middle and then 110 leg here and 110 leg here. Pull these off. Green neutral right here in the middle. Loosen up the lug. Loosen up the bottom bracket. Plug. Add the plug to the new stove oven. There's all the old hardware. Heat everything into place. Everything back in reverse order. On the ground. Everything's tight. Cover on. Again, the new stove. In the stove. Plastic. Put the breaker back on. Got power to the stove. Move all the plastic from the inside. An inductive stove, so it's starting up a lot faster. 60 seconds and you can see it's almost starting to boil.